Eggs fried in breadcrumbs is a dish made famous by the late Judy Rogers of Zuni Cafe in California. We love this concept of a whole meal in one pan. It's easy to do and very impressive for a brunch. Start mixing up some panko and Parmesan cheese, mixing in there. That gives us a nice umami, rich flavor. Dried thyme to flavor those breadcrumbs. So the breadcrumbs are very neutral. Smoked paprika goes beautifully in this dish. A couple of tablespoons of olive oil in here and get them all coated. Some sherry vinegar. That little bit of sharpness is beautiful with the rich eggs and the crispy breadcrumbs. I'm going to set my heat to medium-high and just keep tossing until this begins to turn golden. This is ready for eggs. And I'm going to make some divots here in the pan. And you'll notice this definitely needs to be done in a non-stick skillet. I'm going to pour a little bit of oil into each and then crack 4 eggs into each. And now, because I want to make this a full meal, gather some baby spinach around over the top, cover the pan, and let those eggs cook in that spinach steam. A little more salt and pepper, serve one up. The cheese and the breadcrumbs kind of bakes out and melts and makes like a frico, like a cheesy, crackery crust. This is a beautiful, easy dish for your Sunday brunch.